welcome back to Kids Kitchen. Today we're going to be making personal pizzas. Let's get started. Here's the ingredients. Any type of pizza sauce, cheese of your choice, pizza crust, and any toppings. I'm using this pizza stone, but if you don't have a pizza stone, you can just use a regular baking sheet. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your pizza crust. All right, once you got your pizza crust open, just put it onto your pizza stone, and you can really do whatever kind of shape you want for your pizza crust. I'm just gonna do a circle. All right, my pizza is a bit of a weird shape, but let's start putting the sauce on it. So just scoop up your sauce and spoon it on, and just use the back of the spoon to paint your sauce all over your pizza. You can put as much or as little as you want. It doesn't really matter, just do it however you like. Make sure to leave a little bit of space away from the edge for the crust. Now that you've done your sauce, time to do cheese. You can also use whatever kind of cheese you want. I'm using Mexican cheese, but you can use things like mozzarella, Parmesan, anything you'd like. And again, like with the sauce, you can put as much or as little cheese as you want. It looks amazing. Now put it in the oven. Set the timer to whatever your package recommends.